In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom emoji in Discord. We'll walk through the exact path in Discord, cover the image formats and size limits that matter, and share a few practical tips so your emoji looks great at chat size. Start by opening Discord and heading to the specific server where you want the emoji to live. Custom emojis are added per server, so make sure you're in the right place. You'll also need permission to manage emojis on that server. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, that's usually why. At the top of the channel list, click the server name. That opens the server menu. From there, choose Server Settings. Once the settings window appears, look to the sidebar and click Emoji. This section shows any emojis that already exist on the server, along with the upload area and slot count. Now click Upload Emoji. Your file picker will open, and you can select the image you want to use. Discord supports PNG, JPG, GIF, and WebP. Keep in mind, there's a strict file size limit. The image must be under 256 KB. If the file is larger than that, Discord won't accept it. Also remember that emojis display very small, roughly 32 by 32 pixels, even if you upload something bigger. Because of that, choose an image that remains clear and recognizable when shrunk. Simple shapes, bold lines, and high contrast work best. Transparent PNGs often look cleaner, and if you're using a GIF, shorter, loop-friendly animations tend to read better at tiny sizes. Once the file is uploaded, give your emoji a name. This becomes the code you type to reference it in chat, like :party_parrot:. Keep the name short and memorable. Discord emoji names typically use lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores instead of spaces. If there's a Save button visible, click Save to confirm your changes. Some versions save automatically after you add the image and name, but it never hurts to double-check. And that's it. You opened your server, navigated to Server Settings, went into the Emoji panel, uploaded a compatible image under 256 KB, accounted for the small display size, named your emoji, and saved. If something doesn't look right at that tiny size, favor simpler artwork and strong edges over small text or gradients. The goal with emojis is readability first, detail second. With these basics in place, you're set to build a fun, recognizable set of custom emojis that fit your community's vibe.